So over here, you can see that I have a bunch of storyboards right here. And let's say what I want to do is export this out as a movie file. So if you want to do that, you can go around and then click on the file menu and then go to export. And over here, you can see movie as an option. So once you go around into movie, you can choose where you want to save your file. So in my case, I'm just going to go around and save it on my desktop right here. And here you can go around and change around the file pattern right here as well. So I'm just going to go around and say tutor tube just like this. And over here in the movie format, you can see that you can choose different formats as you wish. So you can choose SWF, which is a vector format. You can choose JPEG and Targa sequences as well. Or you can go around and choose MOV, which is a standard format. So with S.264 and MPEG-4 codec right here, which is the standard. Or you can choose Windows Media Video as well. I'm just going to go around and choose S.264, and you can choose the resolution size right here. So I'm just going to go around with full size, and you can choose around color space as you want as well. And you can just export out a scene or the entire project right here. So once you do that, over here you can see the export range right here. So you can go for a selected scene or select everything out right here. There's also different things like you can burn in the time code itself and scene names and panel names and also additional things right here. Once you do that, there's there's camera grids over here as well, like safe area and everything. You can turn this on as well. And you can also go around and include out captions on the video itself. So this is what you have, as you can see. So if I were to go around over here, you can choose different options. For S.264, there is no more option. But depending on the format that you choose, you can go to more option over here as well and adjust that accordingly right here as well. Similar for different things, you can see there's different options that pops up. So I'm just going to go around and keep this as it is, and it also says open document folder after export. So I'm just going to go around and keep this on and click on export, and it says the S.264 codec is not installed. Let me just press no right here. Let me just go around and export it out in MOV format, not MOV but WMB format itself now. So you can download and export it out as well. So I'm just going to go around and choose WMB and click on export. And then what happens is that it starts generating out the movie, as you can see. So it starts rendering out the file, as you can see. Let me just press cancel because I didn't select out all the other options right here. So I'm just going to check everything. And now I'm going to click on export and overwrite it just like that because I stopped it midway. And now what happens is that it starts generating the movie, as you can see right here. So it's loading out the movie right here just like this. And then this is what you have. The export is completed. So I'm just going to go around and you can see that it automatically opened it out with Windows Media Player right here. And there you go. You can see the scene right here, the panels, you can see the numbers right here, the panel names and so forth, as you can see just like this. And that is how you can work around with exporting a movie inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.